How to add company branding to GoGift gift cards. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to gogift.com. Once the homepage loads, log into your business account by clicking the business login button at the top right corner. After logging in, navigate to the platform section in the top menu and select bulk gift cards. In the bulk gift cards area, look for the option to customize or personalize your gift cards. Here you can add your company branding element such as your logo, company name, and custom message to the gift card. Make sure your branding files meet the required format and size guidelines for best results. Once you have uploaded your branding materials and customized your message, review the design carefully. After confirming everything looks perfect, proceed to finalize your order. Adding company branding to your gift card helps promote your brand and makes your gift more personal and professional. Now you know how to add company branding to GoGift gift cards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.